Oh, the joys of full-time RV life, where you learn to take care of your rig. You learn to repair things. I think I've mentioned this before. You learn how to repair things on your rig because it really is expensive when you call an RV technician or you take it into an RV shop. Sometimes you just got to learn to do it yourself, and you're always happier when it comes out right too. But the joys of full-time RV life, there's nothing like having to dump your own shit right here. Notice our poop pipe goes all the way up, and then it goes up into the RV. What to do to keep it from getting clogged. In the very beginning when we were RVing, when we first started RVing, we thought, how do we do our black tank? Because we looked at all the videos, we watched them, we studied them, we read the blogs about people and toilet paper. What kind of toilet paper do you use in your RV tank? Well, we use white toilet paper. Okay, that's not even funny. It kind of is. Well, we don't put toilet paper in our RV tank. We decided to go a different route. And yeah, it works for us. It may not work for you. So I want you to watch this throwback show that we did early on in our RV life and how we came to a solution about what to do with toilet paper in an RV toilet. You ready? Let's go throwback one.
The following program is brought to you in living color.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
This is what we came up with to do for our dealing with the toilet paper issue. We use these plastic bags from your produce, and once I take the produce out of them, I just fold them up real nice, flat, like this. Then I just kind of keep them in like a little container like this. And these are just your ordinary brown lunch bags. And so what we do...
How much do those cost?
$1 something maybe for 50 of them, and then they come in a package of 100, and I'm not exactly sure. I'll have to look it up, but it's like a couple bucks, and you get 100 of these bags, and you get these for free when you buy your produce. And so I save those. What I do is take it like this, set it flat in the bottom of the bag, fold it up just like that, and then I put it in a plastic bag like this, and then this goes in the bathroom next to the toilet, and like underneath your toilet paper thing or whatever. So then this goes in there, and I have like a few of these packages all set up. We keep in a drawer in the bedroom next to the bathroom. And so when it's time to do your business, you just take a bag out, you open it up, take the plastic bag out. And I use the plastic bag inside of the paper. Paper is to hide what's in there, and plastic is to, it kind of helps keep the smell down, but we don't leave it in there forever. You just, once you do your thing, so there it is, easy. You just put your tissue in there, and then when you're done doing your business, you just take it, kind of tie a little knot in it like this, set it back down in there, fold it over, and out to the trash it goes. That way we don't have to use one-ply, yucky, hard, rough toilet paper. And we've also done the toilet paper test where you put it in the water and shake it up and see how it breaks up. And the Angel Soft that we use does break down. Perhaps not as good as maybe RV does, but we try not to put it in there. But once in a while, you forget. It's like, oh shoot, I dropped it in there and I'm not digging it out. So it goes down, but we know that it does break down, and we use a lot of water. And since we that's maybe like once in 3 or 4 dumps that you like, oops. So anyway, that's what we do. That's how we handle the toilet paper issue. So we can use the kind of toilet paper we like, and we don't worry about it clogging up our tank.
In addition to all of that, one of the other things we do is we don't flush our toilet with our fresh water tank. You know how you just stand on you depress it and the water comes out? We don't use our fresh water to flush. You want to know what we do? This is what we use to flush our toilet tank. No, it's not clothes soap, but it's close. What we do is when we take showers, we save that shower water, so long as it's not filthy shower water. Most of the time it's just rinsing off, cleaning off, but you're using shampoo, you're using conditioner in your hair. We take that because we have a tub, we take that water and we save it and we bail it out and put it in those yellow jugs. That's what we flush with. That way our black tank has natural curly, well, you know, it doesn't stick to the sides of the black tank. That soap and that shampoo and that conditioner actually helps condition your black tank. And that stuff, you know what stuff I'm talking about, slides right on out when you go to dump. I know a lot of you are going to say you're not using enough water, but we've not had an issue at all in all the time that we've been RVing, and we boondock a lot. No clogs, no stink, no nothing like that. So that's how we do it with our toilet paper and how we flush and do all kinds of stuff like that. What do you think? It works for us. What's the system that you guys use? Do you just throw toilet paper in your tank? Have you ever had a clog in your RV tank? Let us know in the comments below and let us know what you think about the way that we handle things. As always, thank you guys so much for watching our throwback shows. We appreciate you very, very much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It does help the YouTube algorithms. We want to see how many thumbs up we can get on our toilet paper show.
I'll be back.
Take your banner and raise it.